Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in amma ba'du. Okay everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Rafza Fadhifah Pertama and you can call me Adifka. And here in this occasion I would like to talk to all of you in front of you all. It's all about my project, my experience and my achievement that I get from this school or IDN boarding school. This school is my school from junior high school until vocational high school that I learned 6 years here, and so of course I have many experience, many project, many activity, many achievement that I get from this school. And this is not right now I will explain all of my portfolio in one of platform that it is LinkedIn. This platform is the platform that I put all of my portfolio here, and you can look. This is my name and this is my take, and if we scroll to bottom we can see my text that explain or describe me. And yeah, I'm Rafza Fadhifah Pertama and I'm student at IT Focus School in Indonesia. Major in technology began in 2021 when I was 7th grade, and since then I've been passionate about expanding my skills in various fields of IT. I have gained experience in app development, web development, game development, graphic design, 3D design, video editing, and IoT. And this is the material that I get from junior high school. And I'm always eager to learn new things and continuously improve my technical and creative abilities. So because right now I'm a vocational high school student, and my major in RPL or software developer, I have a lot of things, a lot of skills that I develop here about web development and app development. And then so let's look to my activity or my post in LinkedIn. This is can describe and can show all of my activity from 7th grade until this year, or until I'm a 11th grade student. So let's click show all post, and we go to the first of my post in this LinkedIn. Yeah, this is the first post, my first post in LinkedIn that I upload my 3D game project, that is Subway Surf, Crossing Road, and Running Ball, and Switching Ball. This game or these 3D games that I develop or I make in Buildbox, and I make this project or game in 2021, but the postingan is in 2022. Okay, this is the view of Subway Surf game, and this is the view of Crossing Road games, and this the Running Ball games, and the last is Switching Ball. So this is the 3D games that I create in Buildbox. And the second post, I'm described that I have 3 websites that was created in 7th grade or in 2nd semester. The first, there is my personal website, and the second photo or the second picture is about the school website, and the last is about the Moscow website. In 2nd semester at 7th grade, I have created 3 websites, and I create the website with WordPress because I was still a beginner, and WordPress is not like code, but WordPress is some platform that can create websites with drag and drop, not with the code. Yeah, if you wanna see full of my project, you can go to my domain. You can visit my domain id, but I think this domain is not ready for right now. And the third post in LinkedIn, I'm explained that I have I was received the 3 certificate in Coursera. The first certificate is about create and design digital product using Canva, and the third certificate is about design in Figma, and the last is about data analysis. I think this I get from 7th grade. Maybe in 1 semester or 2 semester I forgot about it, but I sure that 3 certificate is I received when I was 7th grade. And the next post in LinkedIn, I also explain my achievement that I get certificate again. The first in decoding, the second in skill up. The first course or the first certificate in decoding, I learned about C programming. I learned about all of fundamental in C programming, and the second certificate is about beginner's guide to become machine learning engineer. Okay, go to the next post. This is my first client project. This is my first client project that I create in elementary school in junior high school. And this project is from my friend's father that have a company that is Bape Rent Car. Bape Rent Car is a company that sell and rent some car, and I create the website for them. And this is the view, this is the homepage, and this is the about section, and this the list of the car that they sell or they rent. And I created in this website in 2024, or when I was in 8th grade or 9th grade at IDN. So the next post about my certificate again. The first is in Proget about Git course, and the second is about introduction to data science with Python in Daikilab. And this is the post that explain about my great experiences, that is teaching in another school. In 2022 until 2024, precisely when I was in junior high school, I had 9 times teaching experience. I have taught elementary school, middle school, and high school. The following is a list of school where I teach technology material. There are Alansor, I get 2 times. Gresuna, I get 2 times. Ada Semut 1 times. And Indonesian Natural School 1 times, and others. And the most of this school list is in Depok. Yeah, if you wanna see my picture, this when I explain my IDN teaching program to the capsec or the teacher there. And this is the picture that when I'm teaching in MTS Jasmine. And this is the picture that when I'm teaching in SMP the Indonesian Natural School. Okay, so we go to the next post. This is the most memorable experience that because is I'm go to 3 countries with my friends. The name of program is IDN Backpacker, and this program is visit 3 countries that are Singapore, Malaysia, and Thailand. There, I was given a task, one of which was to interview local tourists there. Yeah, this is the picture that I when I'm in Singapore, and this is when I'm Singapore, and this is when in Google Office. Yeah, there are Atarif here and Khalil and others. Okay, let's go to the next post. I have post some application project that is Conversa. This the Ujicom project in junior high school. Yeah, my team before with Rizik, with Fatur, and with Furkon. That I create the application for communication, like WA, but this there are many features here. There are community and social and others. The Conversa application is chat application that makes it easier for user to communicate with people who speak different languages. Yeah, this is the one of features I forgot about it. This application is equipped with many very useful AI features, including auto translate, harsh word filter, community page, and others. And okay, this is the first post that when I was in senior high school. This is my last project in 10th grade, especially in first semester. I tried to this website is made with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Yeah, this is the first time that I create website with code. And here there are coffee website or company website, and there are IDN course webs, or this project is for competition with Abdullah and with Atarif, and and the last project is Muabisa, is for competition also with Mirza and Rizik. This is the web. This web is get to final stage in Unila, but I don't get what juara? I don't get a winner. And this is my experience when I join Unila competition, and when I get a final stage with Rizik and Mirza. This is when we presentation with all of the team there. And this is the web, and okay, and go to the next. This is Java Island, or the project that I create with my team. And yeah, this is also for a competition. This website is explained about all of beauty view or beauty city in Indonesia. And then this is the post that I get the first winner, the first achievement for web design project. And here I'm with Atala and Abdullah, get the first winner in iConfess in web design competition. This is the thumbnail of web. The web is about Pusakaku. Pusakaku is a web like for grow more like explain about the traditional in Indonesia. And we can see here we create Pusakaku, a website decided to introducing and preserving one of Indonesia's rich cultural heritage, like traditional games. Our goal is to ensure that these timeless traditions continue to be appreciated by future generations. And this is the large of the most value certificate that I get. No, it's about machine learning certificate that I get from CS50, or the course that the course that offered by Harvard University. And this year has provided me with a strong foundation in computer science, programming, algorithms, data structure, and problem solving. Okay, because the time is enough, maybe that's all from me for introduce or for show all about my portfolio, my experience, and my project that I get from the school. And thank you very much for listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.